So behind me is going to be, eventually, a sawmill and wood shop.
A year ago, I didn't really know what I was doing. I've made over 80 videos since then, and this cutting board reclamation project might be the simplest one I've done the entire time, but it also provides some clarity. When I started this channel, I wasn't just learning YouTube, I was learning woodworking from scratch. And if you go back and watch those first videos, it shows.
See it drift over? That looks like a cheap piece of shit.
In the beginning, everything was new. Tools,
Bauer dual bevel, 10-inch miter saw.
techniques.
You know, there's clamping systems and all that. I just don't have them. Maybe if I can get one of these others in. I look away and it just falls right out of flesh.
Even just getting a straight cut.
Oh, that's a challenge.
I didn't know what I didn't know.
And honestly, I thought YouTube was gonna be the easy part. I'm a professional filmmaker. I should have this in the bag.
Somewhere between then and now, projects have gotten better. My skills have gotten better. Cleaner cuts, better finishes, more confidence. But the channel, not so much. Am I doing something wrong on the YouTube side? Am I posting incorrectly? Yet still, I doubled down. Bigger projects, more effort, more time. I thought if I just keep going, eventually something will hit. But most videos still landed in the same place.
With a few exceptions, 200 or 300 views, and that's it.
This board had the same problem. It wasn't working as it was, but it had good material. And so instead of trying to rebuild it, let's try to make something better. And that's when something clicked for me. I'm not struggling because I'm not working hard enough, or my woodworking hasn't gotten better. But maybe it has something more to do with how YouTube sees my videos, or how my viewers see my videos, or if anybody sees my videos at all. Honestly, I really don't know, and it's really frustrating at this point. But if my woodworking experience has taught me anything, it's that I need to move forward and keep trying, and if I have to pivot, pivot. As far as the woodworking goes, in 80 videos, I've gone from not knowing what I'm doing, to figuring things out, to starting to understand how things actually work. I don't panic when something goes wrong anymore. I look for a better way. So going forward, here's what changes. I start with the idea first. I build a story around it. And I keep things simple when simple works. This started as one broken cutting board. Now it's 3 pieces that are better than what it was before, and certainly more useful. I think my content is good. The material is correct. But I've got to figure out how to shape these videos better, and be a better storyteller. And that's a lot coming from a guy who prides himself as being somewhat of a storyteller. I am a filmmaker after all. I'm also going to reposition the channel just a little bit and try to make it clear that I'm a novice trying to move forward and that I want to invite my viewers to come along with me. None of this is easy, and I look forward to doing more, better, and have better content that is more engaged and viewed. Oh, and like the video. I appreciate you. We'll see you next time.